everyone, welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and we're really happy you chose to practice some everyday English with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and today we are talking about something exciting, but honestly, also very scary.
The first day at a new job.
Oh wow, that feels stressful already.
Really?
Yes, because suddenly, everything feels new.
Very true.
New people,
New place.
new rules,
And somehow, everybody already knows what they are doing.
while inside, you feel confused.
Very confused.
Especially when somebody says, "Welcome to the team."
Big responsibility feeling.
Very big responsibility feeling.
Today, we are talking about the first day at a new job in English.
Real English for real life.
Because sometimes learning English is not only about grammar. Sometimes you just want confidence without panic.
Very important goal.
Very important.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through natural conversations,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen. Okay, Sam, let's imagine something. Today is your first day at work.
big moment.
Very big moment. Maybe nervous already?
Very nervous.
Then suddenly, your alarm rings.
Serious morning.
Very serious morning.
Somehow, getting ready feels different.
Very true.
You check everything twice.
Clothes,
Bag,
phone.
keys.
Then suddenly, you think, wait, what if I do something wrong?
Oh no, nervous thoughts begin.
Very nervous thoughts.
Then maybe you finally arrive.
Big building,
New faces.
very unfamiliar feeling.
Then maybe someone says, "Hello, can I help you?"
Big first impression moment. Useful sentence, everyone. Hi, I'm new here.
Very useful real-life English. Repeat after us. Hi, I'm you here.
Nice and simple.
Or maybe, today is my first day.
Useful sentence, everyone. Today is my first day.
Repeat after us. Today is my first day.
Very useful workplace English.
Then maybe somebody introduces themselves. Hi, I'm Sarah.
Or maybe, hi, I'm David.
Suddenly, too many names.
Very too many names.
Honest question. Why is remembering names so difficult?
Honestly, good question.
Emma, question time.
Okay,
Most stressful first day moment.
easy. Introducing yourself.
Really?
Yes, because suddenly you forget how talking works.
Oh wow, that feels too real.
Then maybe say politely, nice to meet you.
Useful sentence, everyone. Nice to meet you.
Repeat after us. Nice to meet you.
Very useful English.
Then maybe somebody starts explaining work.
Serious listening moment.
Very serious.
Especially when everything feels new.
Maybe somebody says, this is how we do it.
Oh wow, big learning moment.
Very big learning moment.
Then maybe you feel confused.
Very confused.
But simple English helps.
Useful sentence, everyone. Can you show me how to do this?
Repeat after us. Can you show me how to do this?
Very useful workplace English.
Emma, be honest. Have you ever felt nervous on a first day?
Wait, why are we talking about my secrets again?
So that means yes.
Maybe one time.
One time?
Okay, maybe every time?
Honest answer again.
One time, somebody explained something important, very carefully.
Okay, sounds good.
Then suddenly, I forgot everything immediately.
Oh no, that feels stressful.
Very stressful.
Wrong and confident again.
Apparently, that is my personality.
Very consistent personality.
Thank you, I think.
Then maybe somebody gives instructions again.
Nervous moment.
Very nervous.
Especially when everything sounds fast.
Then maybe there is a simple way to ask.
Yes. Work instructions can feel confusing.
Very confusing, especially when somebody explains everything very quickly.
Very, very quickly.
Suddenly, everything sounds important.
And somehow, you remember nothing.
Very stressful feeling.
especially on the first day.
Very true.
Then maybe ask politely, could you explain that again?
Useful sentence, everyone. Could you explain that again?
Repeat after us. Could you explain that again?
Or maybe, sorry, I'm still learning.
Very useful workplace English.
Repeat after us. Sorry, I'm still learning.
Nice, simple English.
Emma, question time.
Okay,
Most awkward first day moment.
easy. Forgetting somebody's name immediately.
Oh, wow, that feels too real.
Because suddenly somebody says hello again.
And your brain says, good luck.
Very stressful moment.
Honest question. Have you ever pretended to remember someone's name?
Sadly, yes.
Oh, wow, what happened?
One time, someone introduced themselves, very politely.
Okay, sounds normal.
Then suddenly, 5 minutes later, gone.
Gone.
Completely gone.
Oh no, wrong and confident again.
Apparently, that is my personality.
Very consistent personality.
Thank you, I think.
Then maybe lunch break arrives.
Big social moment.
Very big social moment.
Especially if everybody already knows each other.
Then maybe someone asks, do you want to join us?
Oh wow, friendly moment.
Very friendly.
Useful sentence, everyone. Sure, thank you.
Or maybe, nice to meet you.
Very useful real-life English.
Then maybe somebody asks, how are you liking the job so far?
Big first day question.
Maybe say, it's good so far.
Or maybe, I'm still learning.
Nice beginner English.
Then maybe, small mistake happens.
Oh no, first day mistake.
Very normal.
Very, very normal.
Maybe wrong button.
Maybe wrong email.
Maybe confusion.
Honest question, do mistakes feel bigger on the first day?
Very true. Somehow, everything feels dramatic.
But usually, nobody's angry.
Very true.
Then maybe say politely, sorry, I'm still learning.
Useful sentence, everyone. Sorry, I'm still learning.
Repeat after us. Sorry, I'm still learning.
Then finally, the day ends.
Big success.
Very big success.
Especially after surviving the first day.
Survival feels successful.
Very successful.
Emma, question.
Okay,
Best first day advice.
easy. Ask questions, stay calm, and remember, nobody expects perfection.
Very good advice.
Thank you.
But honestly, starting a new job in English can feel stressful.
Especially when everything feels new.
Or fast.
But simple English helps.
Very true. You do not need perfect English.
Short sentences work.
Like, hi, I'm new here.
Nice to meet you.
Can you show me how to do this?
Sorry, I'm still learning.
Could you explain that again?
Thank you for helping me.
Real English, real life.
Confidence grows slowly.
One conversation at a time.
One small sentence at a time.
Even awkward moments help.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today, everyone.
We hope this conversation helped your English feel easier and more natural.
And maybe made your first day at a new job feel a little less stressful.
If you enjoyed learning with us,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
we will see you again soon.
Bye, everyone.